Hi, Jason Knott, editor of CE Pro. I'm excited. We just had the Bose Acoustimass 300 subwoofer and the Bose SoundTouch 300 soundbar delivered to my house. We're going to install them in my living room, dining room, and see how it sounds.
First off, the consumer packaging is impressive, so integrators shouldn't be hesitant to open up the boxes in front of their clients. The Acoustimass 300 subwoofer is boxed ingeniously, so a technician never has to stress his back lifting the 30-pound subwoofer. The subwoofer's footprint is 12 by 12 by 13, and because it's wireless, it can be placed anywhere in the room. The industrial design of the Acoustimass 300 is superb. The top of the sub is finished with imported Italian glass that fits well in any room's decor. Likewise, the SoundTouch 300 soundbar has equally dramatic industrial design, with a sleek single-piece aluminum grille in front and Italian glass on top. In terms of bass reproduction, the Acoustimass sub moved just the right amount of air for my large room. The unit has the largest driver and largest amplifier Bose has ever deployed in a sub. The 2-inch height of the SoundTouch is sleek. The unit features Wi-Fi for easy network integration and Bluetooth with near-field communication for easy device pairing. After plugging in the power, I simply connected the SoundTouch 300 to the back of the TV using the supplied optical fiber cable.
Welcome to the Adapt IQ audio calibration system.
To match the sound quality with the room acoustics, Bose supplies its Adapt IQ room EQ system. I followed the directions and plugged the Adapt IQ system into the soundbar and donned the headset. The system immediately walks you through the process. Then, moving to each of the various sitting positions in the room, the Adapt IQ plays space-age tones to equalize the room acoustics. The wireless connectivity that pairs the two devices is quick and easy. The devices actually self-discover each other on the network. I also used the Bose SoundTouch multi-room music app on my iPhone to access music and stream it to the soundbar. Android is also available. While I set up my home using the IR remote control in the app, integrators can use Bose's API to control the SoundTouch features, including presets, volume control, zone grouping, metadata feedback, and more. Bose's current partners include Control 4, Crestron, RTI, Elan, Samsung SmartThings, URC, AMX, and Key Digital. With setup complete, it was time to watch TV and listen to music. The multi-channel system filled our living space with surround sound using Bose's phase guide array technology that sends sound to the left and right sides of the room. Bose has a number of SoundTouch connected products to create a whole house music system. Whether it be an all-in-one system like the Wave SoundTouch or SoundTouch 30, or the SA5 that has a built-in 100 watt by 2-channel amplifier to power in-ceiling or outdoor speakers, or the preamp SoundTouch Wireless Link, there's an option for every room. Through Bose's contemporary industrial design, proprietary technologies, small product footprints, and wireless connectivity, the SoundTouch 300 soundbar and Acoustimass 300 subwoofer meet a variety of homeowner needs, ranging from Bluetooth music to full multi-channel home theater. CE pros can even create a turnkey surround sound package by adding Bose's virtually invisible 300 speakers to the system. Even Ginger, our dog, was pleased.